So my shop's split up into 3 different areas. You have the first area on the other side of that wall when you walk in. You have this garage bay that I have the table saw station set up in. And then this last bay, I don't use a whole lot for working, but it is still annoying because it has this cinder block wall, and we set up these 2 stools for me to go easily from the main entrance into this last bay. But that's gotten a little annoying, so I think it's finally time we do a little demolition project.
I have put off this project for literally months because I knew how much of a mess it was going to make in my shop. So I did everything I could to try to prevent dust from going all over the place by putting up a tarp and trying to set up a fan to help blow it all out the doors. I started off by using an angle grinder with a diamond blade to score the wall where I wanted it to break cleanly. Then it was time to relieve a little stress. It's funny how destroying things is so contagious. You start swinging a sledgehammer at a wall and everybody around just wants to get a piece of it. So here's Lauren taking her swings.
So like I said, I am not a mason by any means, and therefore this is probably one of the ugliest mason jobs you'll ever see. But it is hard, it's functional, it's not cracking, it's not chipping off. The reason I have these discolorations all throughout this was different moisture content in the concrete added on to the fact it's such a thin layer of concrete. But basically it cured and dried in different times, and so the darker color is where it cured really quick because there wasn't a lot of moisture in it, and then these lighter colors is where it took a while to cure. But it is functional. It's not going to get a whole lot of traffic, so I'm not too worried about the strength of it. I just wanted to prevent this rise up from being a tripping hazard.